Welcome to this tutorial on Get-Service, a PowerShell cmdlet for viewing Windows services. In this video, you'll learn how to list services, check their status, and filter service information. This is an essential skill for managing and troubleshooting Windows systems effectively. Get-Service is a PowerShell cmdlet that retrieves information about Windows services. Its primary purpose is to view service status, properties, and dependencies. You can use it to monitor services, troubleshoot issues when something isn't working, and automate service management tasks. Think of it as your window into all the background processes that keep Windows running. The simplest way to use Get-Service is to type the command name by itself. When you run Get-Service without any parameters, it lists all services on your local computer, showing their status and display names. This gives you a complete overview of every service installed on your system, whether they're running, stopped, or paused. When you need information about a specific service, you can use the name parameter. For example, Get-Service-name WUSERV retrieves details for the Windows Update service using its service name. Alternatively, you can use the DisplayName parameter with Get-Service-DisplayName "Windows Update" to search by the friendly display name instead. This is useful when you know what a service does but don't know its technical name. Wildcards make searching for services much easier. The asterisk symbol acts as a wildcard that matches any characters. For example, Get-Service-name Win* finds all services starting with Win. You can also use Get-Service-name *network* to find services containing the word network anywhere in their name. This is incredibly helpful when you're looking for related services but don't know their exact names. To filter services by their status, you pipe Get-Service to the WhereObject cmdlet. The command Get-Service pipe WhereObject with the condition status equals running shows only services that are currently running. Similarly, you can use status equals stop to view only stopped services. This filtering helps you quickly identify which services are active or inactive on your system. Every service has several key properties you can examine. The status property shows whether a service is running, stopped, or paused. StartType indicates how the service starts, either automatic, manual, or disabled. The name property is the service identifier, which is the technical name used by the system. DisplayName is the friendly service name that's easier for humans to understand. These properties help you understand how each service is configured and currently operating. Let's look at some practical examples. Get-Service pipe to SelectObject-name, status displays only the service names and their status, making the output cleaner. Get-Service pipe to SortObject-status sorts all services by their current status, grouping running and stopped services together. Finally, Get-Service pipe to FormatTable-AutoSize displays services in a nicely formatted table that automatically adjusts column widths. These techniques help you customize the output to match exactly what you need to see.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.